Then the second approach, for those that may be having internet challenges, where you come and download the form and you capture this data offline, and then you get a place which has internet and be able to upload, you upload the Excel back. So I had downloaded this, and this is how the Excel looks like. So the system comes pre-populated with all the data that is needed to complete this form. So we expect you to only get this form, this template, from the system. Use any template the system is going to reject, because whatever is here needs to conform with what is in our system. Look at the first one. We have the national merit, which basically under this section, if I can zoom it out, you will see that we have about 4 columns, which is showing the code. It will show you the 3-letter code and the institution or the university that is advertising this program. You will have the program title or the program name, and then the duration, which is most cases in years, 3-year program, 4-year program. You will see that Makerere University advertised, Mbarara University advertised. These are the list goes on. Whatever we had seen on the online process is basically here. Then we have the next sheet, which is a district quota. We have also the section for the code. It has the 3-letter code. We have the name of the institution, and then the name of the program with the program duration. The same applies to other tertiary institutions. You will see that other tertiary institutions also, we have the code and then the name of the institution that advertised. Then the last one is a list of all the subject combinations. We have about 4 main columns here as well, which is showing you the code of the combination, the different subjects that form that combination, the program, and the institution that is advertising. You are not expected to edit any information, to delete or even add your own on this template. As you can see, these are protected. You're not expected to make any changes. And it's important that you use the template from the system, as it gives you all that you need in order to complete this. Now, when you come to the Pujab admissions section, this is where we capture data about the candidates. You can put all the candidates, or you can put as few or as little as 1. As you see here, I've just put 1 candidate, but you can fill as many as possible. Here I have the biodata section. It has been split, similar to what we had seen on the online system. We have the parents' details, which is a section for the father or the mother. We have disability. We have UCE. We have USCE. And then we have a section for the national merit. We have district quota choices, other tertiary institutions, and subject combinations, where be able to enter the surname. It's a free text. Other names for sex, you also have to select from a drop down. The system will give you. For date of birth, you have to follow this format, which is date, month, and year. And then for marital status, we have also a drop down list to select from. Religious affiliation, email in case it is there, a telephone number. I'd put 256, as you can see the value is there, and then a permanent address, and then citizenship. This is only expected to be for Uganda. For the home district, you will pick from a list of all the districts. They have also been added to the system. The sub-county or the LC3, the parish LC2, village LC1 for this candidate. And fill the father's details. For non-Ugandan, you select non-Ugandan. The same applies to the mother's section. Have the disability. If this candidate has a disability, you select yes. and you will be expected to pick the type of disability. The candidate does not have disability, you select no. For O level, we have all the UNEB centers loaded onto the system and also onto the template. So you can just click on this drop down, you'll see all the UNEB centers here. You can even type. Then you pick also the UCE student number, and this means you only have to select from this range of 001 to 499 for all level. We have the examination year or the year of sitting of this candidate's UCE. For A level or USCE result, the drop down only has the center that you're representing. So you shouldn't do this for another center. That's why it's important that you use the template that you obtain from the section of the program choices. That is the national merit. We have the first choice is also a drop down of all the programs advertised under national merit from the different institutions. You can also search this. For example, if I want GUM from Gulu University, the details of this program, they are under this sheet, national merit. You will check the code and the institution name corresponding, and then you have the second choice. You do the same, and then up to 6 choices for district. The system will also give you a drop-down list of all the programs advertised under district quota. You just select from that list the first choice, and also up to 4 choices. Other tertiary choices, you will also pick from a drop-down of all the programs advertised under tertiary institutions. You can pick up to 4 choices. Where need be, you get the subject combination codes, which are these ones, this code, and then be able to provide the codes that apply. You can put up to 3 codes. For example, if you want 001, 002, something like that. It means those codes must correspond, they must be here. So that's I'm going to save my changes. So you can add as many candidates as you want, but keep in mind that the candidates you're going to upload must not exceed the numbers that have been paid for. So I'm going to save this time, then I come back to the system, and then I go to the tab for uploading form. So here I can either click or drag a file to this area. So let me click. So when I click, then I will go and look for that file that I have just filled, and then I open the system. It's going to say that upload has been successful. It means when I come back here and I reload my reference numbers, you see that I have filled for 2 candidates so far on this payment reference number. And then on the section, I can come back and refresh this. I will see that I have already received or captured 2 candidates on the system. So you can use 2 approaches, that is with the Excel or the online process.